Hi, are you thinking about starting your own side business while keeping your day job? Well, part-time self-employment in Switzerland might be exactly what you're looking for. Whether you're a professional wanting to explore entrepreneurial ventures, a student looking for extra income, or even a foreigner considering Swiss business opportunities, this video will break down everything you need to know. Let's dive in. So what exactly is part-time self-employment in Switzerland? From a legal perspective, you're considered self-employed if you work independently in your own name, for your own account, and you bear the economic risk of that work. Part-time self-employment, sometimes called a sideline, means you're doing this alongside your main job or other primary activities like studies. The key here is that your part-time income should be significantly lower than your primary job, and it shouldn't interfere with your main work responsibilities or be conducted during those working hours. The good news? There are virtually no restrictions on who can take up part-time self-employment in Switzerland. This includes professionals with full-time jobs, students looking for extra income, homemakers exploring entrepreneurial activities, and even foreigners and cross-border commuters, though they'll need to meet certain requirements and have the right permits. More on this later. Before you jump into part-time self-employment though, consider two very important factors. First, having a stable source of income is crucial, especially when starting out. Part-time self-employment is supposed to supplement, not replace your primary income. Second, be honest about your capacity. This is additional work on top of your existing responsibilities, and you need to be sure you can handle it. The benefits of part-time self-employment are compelling. Flexibility. You have the freedom to set your own hours and choose how to direct your energy. Low financial risk. Your main job covers basic expenses, while you get to explore other opportunities. Additional income. Successful ventures mean extra money and income diversification. More time to build your business without the pressure to immediately turn profit. And finally, better financing options. Banks view you as lower risk because you also have a steady job alongside your own venture. However, there are also some challenges. Increased stress. Balancing two jobs can easily lead to burnout if not handled properly. Limited time and energy. Entrepreneurial success requires dedication, which can be difficult alongside a full-time job. Variable income. Part-time ventures often have unpredictable earnings. Limited benefits. You won't get the same employer benefits from your self-employment. However, this is not really a big deal if you also have a stable full-time job. Now for the legal stuff, and this is important. First, the duty of loyalty. If you have a full-time job, you cannot violate the duty of loyalty to your employer. This means no directly competing with your employer, no serving company clients privately, no damaging your company's reputation, and no impairing your job performance because of your self-employment activities. Second, Social Security contributions. You must register with the compensation fund unless your annual part-time income falls below the minimum threshold to be deemed significant. Unlike employees who share the cost with employers, self-employed individuals must pay the full contributions themselves. Third, taxes. All part-time income must be declared on your tax return and is subject to income tax, so make sure you keep accurate records. Finally, registration. You must register with the compensation fund to be legally recognized as self-employed. If you plan to incorporate a business entity like an AG or GmbH, additional registration requirements apply. So you may be asking, what about foreign nationals? Well, there are a few key differences here. EU or EFTA citizens can easily engage in profit-making activities in Switzerland. You just need to apply for a B permit with the Cantonal Migration Office, which is valid for 5 years and renewable. Third country nationals face a more complex process and typically need a C permit or must be married to a C permit holder or Swiss citizen. Cross-border commuters can work self-employed in Switzerland with a G permit, provided they return to their primary residence at least once a week. Part-time self-employment in Switzerland offers incredible opportunities for additional income and entrepreneurial growth. However, success depends upon understanding the legal requirements and making informed decisions. Thankfully, that's where Nextover comes in to help make your journey smoother. Our experts guide you through every step, taking care of all the complex legal requirements, tax issues, and registration processes, and ensuring full legal compliance. Ready to explore your options? Nextover is here to help turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Click the link below to book a free consultation today. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped clarify part-time self-employment for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your questions in the comments. See you next time.